In this video, I want to talk about how you can be a Shopify seller. Now, this is pretty easy, guys. You want to head over to shopify.com and start your free trial. Then you want to figure out what kind of product you want to sell. And then once you've done that, you can see that you have a few days of a free trial. And after that, you can get the first 3 months for only €1, which is about $1, a little more than $1. And then you just need a domain. So once you've done all of this, go to the home and you want to follow these steps. So it's going to go you through how you can set up your store, how you can sell online, adding your products, designing, putting up the store for payments and the plan and the name for the store. And it will tell you how you can launch your online store so people can type in the URL and head over to your store. Now this is pretty easy, and Shopify has the full tutorial guide that you can follow from in here. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.